welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Tonight, my friends and I, the girlfriends of the boyfriend, we call ourselves the book club, or the gal pals, watching The Bachelorette together. That is, I think, now our thing. We're gonna watch The Bachelorette together. Each week is a different person's house and it'll just be fun. So yeah, I figured I'd vlog. I have an autumn recipe to share with you guys. It's kind of cheating, but like, it's still good. Anyone can do it and it's super easy. So I just went to the grocery store when I went home from work and I got a few things. So I figured I would do a little grocery haul. Because my girlfriends are coming over, I'm gonna make a charcuterie board, make it all nice, and because it's Halloween, I'm gonna have like candy all over the place. So I got some Sour Patch Kids. I also got some cereal because I'm out, and I'm gonna try this. It's the off-brand of Shreddies. They're literally called Wheat Squares, but they were $2 cheaper than Shreddies. So I'm gonna try that. Chips were $1.99, so I got that for tonight. I also picked up some tomato sauce. This is the Classico roasted garlic and onion. Then the best thing ever, Chickpea Pasta was on sale, so I stocked up because this stuff is so expensive. It was $4 and I think they're regularly like $7. So I got some penne and then I got spaghetti. So I'm super excited about that. They have 23 grams of protein. Is that for the box or for... No, it's for half of the package is 23 grams of protein. So I easily will eat that much pasta. So yeah, and then I also got some peppermint tea, which is what I've been my go-to this year. I've really been on peppermint. And then I got Hershey's cookies and cream to put on the charcuterie board. Then I got some Triscuits and some Parmesan cheese and garlic breadsticks for the charcuterie board. And then it's my sister's birthday at the end of November, but apparently they don't have cherry cupcakes. At least my mom hasn't been able to find some, and this is her favorite thing ever. So I picked that up as well, just to have for her. That's one bag. Let me get the other one. Oh my goodness, this one is a lot heavier than I thought. I grabbed that on the wrong angle. Goodness gracious. Some ginger ale. I'm just gonna do that because it's falling. So I got ginger ale. Then I got some prosciutto for the cheese board. I got some cranberry juice. Figured mixing that with ginger ale is good. Then I got some red grapes, apple, got a lemon, a lime, pear, clementines. It looks like that's it. So yeah, so that's my little grocery haul. And yeah, and then I also picked up some wine. We're also going to our friend's house on Saturday night. I'm not sure what movie we're watching. I think we're doing like a Halloween movie thing. So I picked up some wine. I got this Peely Island cab. Super excited about that, to try this. This is the one that I had in my last vlog, is the Raven Conspiracy. This one right now is really good. So I've been liking that. And then just in case no one wants red, I picked up a white, just open smooth wine. So yeah, that's all I got at El Sevilla. I figured like this is good enough. I have lots of cheese. Costco had a huge sale on goat cheese. Let me show you how much goat cheese I got for $7. That's a lot of cheese. So that will last tonight, Saturday or Friday, whatever day it is, and next weekend at our Halloween party. And hopefully after that as well. And I also picked up Boursin cheese that was on sale for $5.99. One of these alone is $5.99. So bless Costco. And then I also picked up an apple cider thing. So that is all my groceries. I'm gonna put them all away. Then I'm gonna kind of tidy the apartment quickly. I don't really have enough time to do like a deep clean, which is kind of annoying. This week has been kind of busy. I haven't really had any time to do a deep clean since I was away last weekend. But hey, Levy, it is what it is. So I'm gonna do that quickly, and then I'm gonna get into making some hot apple cider. Oh, the lighting right now, so nice. Look at it. So nice. We're doing a good food box. I have the apple barbecue pulled chicken sandwich. That should be good. I guess we'll get started on the apple cider. I've never made apple cider before. I've honestly just been fine drinking this, but I really want something warm. So I think I will do that. I think all you do is you cut up an orange, you cut up an apple, and then do cinnamon and then throw it in a pot. I know you're supposed to have like cinnamon sticks and like, what are they called, cloves and stuff like that, but they were super expensive at the grocery store and I'm not about that, so I think I'm just gonna drizzle some cinnamon powder over top. So let's do that. I think I'll just like cut these in 4s and then drop them in. But yeah. I think that's where it stopped. So what is that, like half the jug? Wow, I should become a food blogger. I'm so good at this. more. There we go. All right, so I put this on the stove top, and right now I have it on 2. So it'll slowly warm up. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Ooh, that's a lot of cinnamon. Oh, my bad. Where's the light? Oops. Well, it smells really good, but that's a lot of cinnamon. Elena, you would be proud. I'm gonna add more apple cider. I hope these cooking videos or baking videos are entertaining for you, because I don't know what I'm doing. I literally woke up this morning and was just like, I want hot apple cider. I guess I'm gonna strain it before like serving it, so you're not gonna get like chunks of cinnamon in your mouth. So yeah, it smells delicious. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna put the lid on and then just let it simmer for, I don't know. It's 5:20 now, so I'll let you know when I think it's hot or ready. Oh my gosh, my skin is so bad. Okay, so it's actually really good. A lot of cinnamon, if you can't tell. Like, look at how much is sitting on the ladle here. Like, that's a lot of cinnamon, but it is so yummy. Highly recommend. I kept it on high for, I wanna say like 10-15 minutes, and then I put it on low for the rest of the evening, so it was 5:20 when I put it on. I literally just turned it off, but it's just been like, I feel like the longer you leave it in, the more flavorful it's gonna be with like all the fruit and stuff like that. But I loved it, and everyone else loved it, so it was really, really good. It was a really good evening. Not a huge fan of The Bachelorette this season, but not gonna lie, not what I'm enjoying, but it was fun being with the girls and all that stuff. We did make the pulled pork or pulled chicken sandwiches, and it was delicious. So if you want good food or want to try it, this is not sponsored whatsoever, anything like that. Not gonna lie, I was kind of annoyed with the company for a while, because like they charge you, you have to cancel each week you don't want to, and you can only do 4 weeks at a time. And it was kind of annoying, and I went camping with actually the girls who I was with tonight. I didn't have internet, so I didn't cancel it, and then I ended up paying like 80 bucks for food that I didn't even want, and it wasn't even good. They just gave me like the most generic one or whatever, so I was really annoyed with that. But this one, they gave me a credit. They were like nice on the phone, and because they can't refund me, and I couldn't send any of the food back, so they gave me a credit for my stuff. And I had steak the other night, and now I just had these chicken sandwiches, and they were so good. Everyone loved it. So for burgers, we had a lot left over. So like, this is all the chicken left, this is the coleslaw, that's all in there, and then the potato wedges. So also, like, I wonder if I can leave a recipe of it, because I feel like this is quite easy to make. So yeah, I didn't realize making pulled chicken was that easy. Like, you literally throw it on the frying pan. I think it was 4 to 5 minutes we did per side. Yeah, 4 to 6 minutes per side, and then you let it cool. And then my friend just put it in a bowl, and you just take your forks and you shred it. You do the Dijon vinaigrette, barbecue sauce, half a cup of water, and then the spice blend. Salt, bourbon flavor, paprika, chili powder, onion, garlic, black pepper, mustard, cumin, smoked hickory flavor. So that was really good. And then you just stir it all up. Coleslaw was just like how you make regular coleslaw, and with the Dijon vinaigrette in it as well, which was really yummy. Fries, you just cut the potatoes into wedges, and then you do that oil and that spice thing. So highly recommend. Apple cider was a hit. We all put it in wine glasses to be fancy. It was very good. I should have brought my camera out to get their reactions, but I'm not really comfortable vlogging with around friends yet. I don't know. I'm like picky with that. So yeah, I'm going to do the dishes. I'm gonna play some Sinatra on my record player and just call it a night. It's 20 to 9. I think I'll read my book a little bit. I'm currently reading, is it The 12 Principles of Life by Jordan Peterson? Well, sorry, I can't say I'm currently reading. It's been sitting on my bookshelf for a month now maybe, and it's just been something of like, when I have time to read, that's when I'm gonna read. So now I can't say anything. I now have time to read. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and a poor attempt of me cooking, but it actually ended up working out and doing well. So I will leave in the description a recipe, but just, I don't know, I feel like you can just eyeball it. I don't know, I made it up, but I'm sure it's pretty obvious what to do. Yeah, and I'll leave the link to Good Food down below because that was an excellent meal, and I will take a photo of it and or just keep this and keep it in my recipe book. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.